Good morning from the sea day. We are actually having breakfast. We almost finished. I'm just having a coffee now. Today it's going to be definitely a really lazy day, even though we did not finish that late yesterday. I'm so tired. I'm super tired. I think because of the sun, etc. But anyway, we are going to just chill by the pool, and that's it for the night. For today.
Hi travelers, I am Matt and welcome to Travel With Me, your go-to guide for all travel adventure. I have been lucky enough to explore numerous countries and I am sharing my tips and tricks with you. So hit that subscribe button and let's explore the world together.
But again, I will try to show you as much as I can from my day. Hopefully, you will enjoy that. And if you do, smash the like button. Today it's a really relaxed day for me. I'm actually just chilling and going from some beds to inside beds and just lying, sitting, having different folds. It's the reason why I love sea days because you can actually just relax if you want to play a game or if you want to watch a band, you can do it. And it's amazing. They actually have lots of board games here, and people are playing board games, cards, doing jigsaws, everything like this here. And I love it. It's absolutely amazing. I'm actually kind of sad. I miss one competition, jigsaw competition, but it's fine. I'm probably going to try and do jigsaw even without competition. You can do it as well. I actually did not record much today, so but you probably already know how it looks like, how we live here this for these 5 days. Uh, we are planning to go for 2 shows this evening. Hopefully I can manage to do some videos there. Because some of the shows, which is I completely understand that, but some of the shows here, and not even here, but like in other cruise ships, they are strictly prohibited to record them. I understand because they spend a lot of time and effort to create those shows, so it won't be fair if someone copy that, which is normal. And tonight we are eating in a Virgin restaurant. I'm not sure if it's like Virgin. There is some word Virgin something. Anyway, it's Italian restaurant. They do lots of pastas, fish, etc. So I'm looking forward to that as well. We already tried pizza for the first time and I love it. It was so good. It was actually kinda like quattro formaggi, but there was just 3 type of cheeses plus roasted garlic, and it was really good. I love it. Amazing. We are having some cool time. Uh, it's actually really wavy today. I'm like not getting seasick or something like that, but it's stronger than other days. You can actually feel it. It's fine, but kind of not really comfortable to walk around or do some stuff. But it's fine. We are in Dog House bar. It's actually really nice, and it's one of the last which we did not use and did not see properly here on a ship. We watch a Diva show, which is one of the most popular shows here in Virgin, and it's absolutely stunning. You need to watch that. It's amazing, really good. You will have loads of fun. There are actually two shows. So one's early, around 7:30, and then it's after 10 o'clock. So if you have a dinner reservation or something, you can still watch it either early or later on. We are having some nice drinks actually. I have something with grapes. I will try it, and then we might continue and go to casino again because I actually won $25. We have kind of different show tonight. It's a storm